Hi guys, for today I'll be showing you how to do this tiger eyeshadow look, and we're going to prep our eyes using the L'Oreal concealer and the Wet n Wild pressed powder. I'll be using the James Charles palette, and the first shade we'll be taking is Punch Me. That will go all over the crease and slightly blown out to the brow bone. Next shade is going to be Rested, and we'll be applying that only on the crease. Just make sure to blend both those colors together as well. Now I'll be taking the white concealer from ColourPop to create sort of a cut crease but a halo shape. Next shade we'll be taking is Flashback, and we're just going to press that on the halo part. We'll be mixing 518 and Rested together to add it to the outer part of the halo, not the entire part. You don't want to cover the whole thing, you just want it to slowly make like an ombre effect with those two colors. Next we'll be taking the shade Spooky, and we're only adding that to the outer corner and inner corner, and just a little bit. For the outer section, don't worry about it not being too perfect or sharp. We're gonna go over it with eyeliner, but as long as it has a nice little V shape, you should be fine. Now with the small flat brush, I'll be adding Rested back into the top of the halo just to give it a more sharp look. And I'm going to go back in and add more 518 and Rested just to give it more pigmentation. Now I'm going to be adding a wing eyeliner, and also I will be adding the stripes with the same liner. So if you happen to make a mistake like I just did when creating the tiger stripes, don't worry about it. Real tiger stripes aren't perfect. They're not the same shape or size. So do what I did, just add on to it, and it's not exactly what I was going for, but it still works. It still is the similar look that I was going for. So just be patient and try not to open your eye, because you don't want the crease to ruin the eyeliner, and you don't want the eyeliner to transfer to the top of your lid. For the lower lash line, I added 518 and Rested, and I also added Spooky even closer to my lash line. And of course, to finish off this look, I added mascara and also some very dramatic false lashes from Carnaval Cosmetics, and they are in the style Doll. As you can see, they're very fluffy and very dramatic, but it's perfect for this look. And here is the final look. I really hope you guys like this, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.